Our LED panel lights come in a variety of styles, with ultra-thin models available as well, catering to diverse application scenarios. Embedded installation, simple and elegant, no dust accumulation and easy to clean. Real installation photos of engineering projects are provided to visually demonstrate the ease of installation and excellent lighting performance. With reliable quality, they are suitable for various engineering lighting scenarios. If you need to know more about high-quality lighting equipment and professional solutions, please feel free to contact Suzhou Pharma Machinery at any time to discuss cooperation.